In today's video, I'm going to teach you how TorBox improves your Stremio streaming setup. To get started, open Stremio on your device. For this walkthrough, we're assuming you're already logged in, so once the app launches, you can go straight into the main interface without any extra setup. If your home screen looks a little different depending on your device, that's completely normal. Next, head over to the Add-ons section. In some versions of Stremio, this appears as an Add-ons tab, while in others you may need to click the small puzzle piece icon. Both options take you to the same place, so just use whichever one appears on your screen. Once you're in the Add-ons area, make sure the catalog is set to Community Add-ons. This is important because TorBox is listed there, and if you're viewing a different category, it may not show up in search results. Taking a moment to confirm this now can save you confusion later. After that, use the search bar and type in TorBox. As the results appear, select TorBox to open its add-on page. This page gives you a closer look at what the add-on offers and helps you confirm you've chosen the correct one before installing it. Before you install, take a minute to review the add-on information. Read through the description, any developer notes, and the available settings. This step is useful because it gives you context on how the add-on works and whether there are any setup details or limitations you should know about in advance. When you're ready, click the Install button and confirm any prompts that appear. Then wait for the installation process to finish. This usually only takes a moment, but it's best to let it complete fully before moving on. Once installation is done, verify that TorBox appears in your installed add-ons list. This quick check confirms everything was added successfully and helps you avoid troubleshooting later if you don't see expected behavior right away. Now open the companion resource linked with the add-on, such as the Google Sheet or similar reference page. Review the information there carefully, especially any status updates, compatibility details, and community notes. Resources like this are helpful because they often provide the latest practical information that may not be fully visible inside the app itself. After that, return to the Stremio home screen. From here, just use Stremio normally. Browse your content, start playback as you usually would, and let TorBox work as part of your setup in the background. Thanks for watching.